of the Tourist Information Office of Valle Agredo, we warmly welcome you to our area. Valle Agredo is the brand name of the municipalities of the Campo Sampierese. On the today competition, we will be at the racetrack with a desk, providing information and assistance to you. We have organized 2 guided visits delivered in Italian and English language. One is a visit of a Venetian villa starting at 11 a.m. From the desk of Valle Agredo. The second one is set on bike at 2 p.m. arriving in Campo San Piero, visiting the shrines of St. Anthony and back, obviously. Well, we are looking forward to see you in Campo San Piero and Valle Agredo, and we will be rooting for you. Ciao. Bye.